industries, distribution centers, supply chain, bonded warehousing, manufacturing, logistics. Everything is here. 2 hours area of Shanghai, China, that links up with Malaysia, the port. Just going to the end of this road, and then it's Epsom, and it's what do we have? Tiger Beer. Colonial Scots Road is beautiful for these old colonial buildings. And one thing is 35A Scots, Singapore, 1836. It's a legend. Down here, look at this original street here. Apartments from the old times. It's called the, is it not the townhouses, it's called the parade houses. It's like the colonial days, they used to actually set this up. Long houses, almost like a long house, right? Fabulous.